Hello there, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 most profitable small business ideas in Nigeria. These business ideas are highly profitable, right? And as you should know, each of these business will fetch you money, but then it requires that you also do some work. It's not like you just sit back and expect the business to be profitable without you putting in effort, right? So once you put in effort, I assure you that these businesses are very profitable. I have done some of them and I'm going to tell you the ones I have done. Okay, I'm going to tell you the ones that I've done, and I'm going to tell you how you can do it to be profitable. Starting and running a business is not easy, right? But if the business is profitable, it brings happiness. That's what matters. We are looking at the profitable side of the business now. Okay, now the money you get from this business, it will compensate for all the stress and all the all the hardship, all the sleepless nights, all the issues that you have gone through. The money you get from these businesses are going to compensate for all of these things. Okay, and that's why we're creating this video. So in this video, we'll be looking at 5 profitable small business ideas that you can start and benefit from here in Nigeria. And of course, you can adapt this to any country that you are watching from. These businesses are not only to Nigerian audiences. You can do this in Ghana, in Liberia, in South Africa, in the UK, in Canada. Anywhere you are, you can do any of these businesses, and I assure you that it's also going to be profitable over there. Okay, so I'll ask you guys to please give this video a thumbs up, just like my video, so that more people on YouTube get to see my video. If you are new to my channel and you like to see more content like this one, please consider subscribing and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. Let's get started, guys. But before we do, I will ask you to please, if you come across any comment like this in the comment section, please do not contact the person. These people are impersonating me. They are passing off to be me. They are posing to be me, and then they defraud people. I will never leave my WhatsApp number on the YouTube comment section. So if you see any comment like this one that I put in this red box, please report them. Click on these three black dots here to report this person. That's not me. All right, if you see comments like this, it's not me. They are fraudsters. Report them and don't contact them so that they don't take your money for vanishing. The first business is laundry business. Now, you've probably heard of this. You've heard many people talk about starting a laundry business, being lucrative, getting money from laundry business. But how do you do this? Now, laundry business is highly lucrative. It's lucrative because I know people who are doing this and who are making money doing it. Personally, I have washing machines in my house. I have washing machine that I can wash my clothes with, but it's a huge chore for me, right? It's a huge work. It's a task for me. I do not even have the time. So it's a huge task for me. So what I do is I simply get my clothes and take them to the laundry guy in the neighborhood, and then he does the laundry. But my machine is there because I do not have the time, and whenever I come back, I'm tired and stuff. So there are people in your neighborhood who are working class, who are business people. Oftentimes they are tired after work. They don't even have the time to wash their clothes. This is how you get into this place. So you can easily advertise in your church. Okay, your church bulletin or magazine. You can just place advert at the back of it. It's usually 6,000 naira to advertise there, or 3,000 depending on the volume of your church's bulletin. In most Catholic church, it's 6,000 naira. Just take one space at the back of the bulletin. Put your advert there. Put your phone number and WhatsApp number. Be clearly. People are going to contact you. If you have a washing machine, it makes it easier for you. You wash, you spin, you iron, blah. In your neighborhood, if you have a flyer, put it at people's car doors, or inform your estate chairman, and then they will let everyone know. Or just go around the neighborhood, inform people. You don't need to open a store. Start from your house. If you have 20 people you are washing for in a month, you'll be making over 200,000 naira. That is how these things work. You have to be innovative, be creative. Don't just go and open shop like every other person. If you have a washing machine, do it from your house and you'll make more money. You save cost also. Second business is party planning. Unlike event planning, so is party planning. All right. So you are not doing general event planning, whatever. You become a party planner, and once you become well known for it, you have blown. Every weekend, every weekend or every day, there's party somewhere going on in Nigeria, in Lagos, in Abuja, in Asaba, wherever you are, in Port Harcourt, everywhere there's party going on. It could be child dedication, it could be a child's birthday party, it could be an adult outing. Different kind of parties are going on. People do not even have the time to plan these parties, right? Many people do not. Many people want to see. People don't want stress. People don't want stress. They want everything that will take away the stress from them so that they can focus on what they are actually good at. If you are a party person, if you're an outgoing person, if you're a fun-loving person, then you have contacts of people, right? And they know that you're a party person. Why not turn this thing, this hobby, why not turn this thing into a business? You focus on planning parties like picnics, get together stuff. You can even host parties. Like you can say something at the beach. Host party in the beach, bring people. Now the first party you host may be free within you and your friends. All right, everybody pay for their entrance, free between you and your friends. Okay, and then you take pictures and videos and let people speak good of you, that oh wow, this party was planned by Precious. Oh nice, I'm having fun, I'm enjoying myself. Oh, I love this. I will come, I'll always come, I'll do this again and again and again. Thank you, Precious, for putting this amazing party together. Boom. You use those videos, fix them together. All the videos that people give you shout out at that beach, fix the videos together, use it to run advert. Next time you are hosting another party again, people would love to pay to attend because they saw the feedback from others who have been there before. These things are here. Wolo, common sense. You go use them. They move. Party planning is lucrative. It's lucrative. People pay you to take away the stress for them and to host their party. Birthday party for children, adults' birthdays. See, the most lucrative are the wedding event planners, but it's those ones require a lot of skill and knowledge of the event industry. But party planning is simply is pretty much straightforward and easier. Okay, so you can become a party planner and you're going to make money doing it. This business is highly lucrative. The third one is mini depot for pet drinks or energy drinks. Now, this business is very lucrative. This is my area, right? I mean, you know, I am in the drinks business. So once you're able to find, you may not be a distributor, but you can be a sub distributor, right? To all these pet drinks like pet Coca-Cola, pet different kind of pet drinks. Just find out the ones that will move in your neighborhood. Open a store there. Stock it with. People are not coming there to buy one. They're coming there to buy in pack. They're not coming there to buy a single pet bottle. No, they buy in pack. It could be energy drink, it could be pet drink, it could be bitters like Odogu bitter. In your neighborhood, it could be the sub distributor or the only person distributing Odogu bitters. You could be the only person distributing Cola Calabo. You could be the only person distributing all these kind of bitters like origin bitters and stuff like that. People come to you to buy and sell in their stores. Pet bottles, pet water, bottled water, pet this other kind fearless. You know, like a mini depot. People come there to buy in bulk. Weekends when people are hosting parties, they come and buy in bulk. It doesn't require much skill. You just open the store, go to the company, they send you to their distributor. The distributor will come and supply you there. Pack it there. Now, depending on the kind of money you have, if you have 500K, fine. If you have more than that, better. It's because the higher you buy, the cheaper it becomes. And it's profitable. So if you have the money to go into this kind of business, do your research, ask your questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer and direct you. Get things running and rolling. There's money in this business. There's money in this business. Print on demand. This one, I love this because I've done this business many times and I've seen how sweet and lucrative it is. All right. You simply create, like I do wear most of my shirts, most of the shirt I wear are very well are designed, like have words written on it. People love this kind of thing. Couple, if you make a matching outfit for couple, My own, I have that one that Naomi did for me, Abobi of Lagos. Once I wear it, people love it. They want to know who did these things for me. So you can start print on demand business. You don't need to have a machine. Oh. I made a video on this. And I think I'll have to make another video on this print on demand. But I'll link the video I made so that you go and watch that video. I will link it up here as you're watching now. You go and watch it. But I think I will make another video, a very updated and well detailed video this time around. If you want me to make that video, let me know in the comment section and I will go ahead and create a new video on print on demand. This business is lucrative. When you see shirts like I stole his heart, she stole my heart. Do you understand that kind of thing? Or my mommy is the best. On kids' clothes, on adults' clothes, different names. Legends are born in October. This. You don't need to have a machine. Oh. People will pay you first, and then tell them that their work will be ready in 3 days. Once they pay you and tell you the design they want, you send it to your person, to the person that does the work for you. They do it, and then they deliver it to the customer. So you can simply leave your branded nylon with them, so that once they finish the work, they deliver to the customer. Or you go and pick it and deliver to the customer. But it's always better that you have an understanding with them, so that they be the ones to deliver it to the customer. These things no hard. I tell you, man. I tell you, easy peasy, straightforward business, sweet money. Print on demand business, sweet money. I will leave the link to the video in the description so that you go and watch it. Again, just before we continue, please, you are likely to come across comments like this on my channel. Please do not contact them. I will never drop my WhatsApp number in the YouTube comment section. If you contact anyone and they defraud you, I am not to be blamed. I will not be held responsible. You will see these things. I always report them. Click on this 3 dash here. You can see it here. Always report them. This comment that I circled that is in the red box, report it. It's not me. Don't contact them. This is the people. They use my picture. They comment as if I am the one. And then if you are not careful, you go and fall for their plots, and then they defraud you. They'll give you an account number that is not mine. And some people go ahead and pay. You want to buy something from me, you want to pay to me, and then somebody gives you an account number and tell you it's for secretary, it's for this, and you go ahead and pay. How do people reason? Please don't fall for this trick. This person is not me. You will see many of them coming out using my pictures, claiming to be me, dropping their WhatsApp number, dropping whatever, telling you to contact them. Do not contact anyone, please. Be safe and be careful. Yeah, the next one is home cleaning business. This one is, I made a video before when I mentioned this very business, and I'm bringing it again because cleaning business, either home or office, cleaning business is highly lucrative. People who are doing it are seeing some good money doing it. All right, it's a very lucrative business that doesn't require huge capital to start. You simply buy your cleaning stuff like the washer, the buckets. There are soaps that they use, right? You buy gloves. When I moved into my new apartment, I was not the one who cleaned it. I paid people to clean it. Offices need cleaners. Stores, malls, right? Banks, those people employed there, they were not employed by the banks. The banks employed the company that they work for. So once the bank contracts the company send their own staff to go and clean at the banks. At the eatery, at many places. At the eateries, yeah? In different places, they are cleaners. Cleaning job is highly lucrative. You are the owner, but you're not even the one doing most of the job. You are simply sending your staff to go and handle the job. Home and office cleaning business is lucrative. I think I will make a separate video explaining this very business and how you can profit from it. All right. Now, all the businesses listed here, they require some level of work to get them running and become profitable. Profit doesn't come by magic. You already know this. It takes work, it takes focus, determination, dedication, discipline. If you do the work, you will enjoy the reward. Don't expect to enjoy the reward you did not work for. And for all the businesses listed here, the best way to beat competition and be at the top is for you to innovate in your marketing. Use videos, run adverts, be lively and be human. That's how to beat the competition in these businesses. If you like this video and if you found it helpful, please like the video if you found it helpful. Like it, Leave a comment. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you. Share this video with as many people as possible as you can. And please follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok. My name is Courage Ngele. If you want to contact me on WhatsApp, you can only get my WhatsApp number via my Twitter or Instagram handle at this Courage Ngele. Once you click on the link on my Twitter profile, it will open the link tree. You are going to see how to reach me via WhatsApp. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.